Ben Deans here from Position Partners. Starting out in the HV series, let's take a look at the HV1S single grade laser. Here we have the Topcon RL-HV1S Rechargeable premium unit. Comes with a rechargeable battery, up to 65 hours runtime off one charge. Unit features an accuracy of 1.5mm plus or minus over 30 metres, including selectable rotation speeds of 300 and 600 revs per minute, along with Topcon's height alert function and window masking capabilities around the unit. So the HV1S also comes with horizontal capabilities as well as vertical functionality where you can lay the unit on its back for any vertical applications. As standard with Topcon units as well, it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as well as IP66 weather rating. Also inside the case we have the Topcon standard receiver, LSADX, and calibration certificate, unit that has been calibrated in Australia to Australian standards, along with instruction manual, Topcon laser manager, QR codes for the App Store, along with laser sticker for on-site where required. Featuring the HV series is Topcon Laser Manager app. The Topcon Laser Manager app has full functionality of the laser from your phone. There we have the Topcon HV1S. For further information, services or calibrations, have a look at topconlaser.com.au or scan the QR code on the side of the box.